welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. बाल थोड़े भीगे हुए हैं, but that's fine. It's okay. Fit check. Yes, we are going to, I think, Renaissance Marriott Hotel. उसका नाम I'm not very sure what the name is of the hotel, but we are going for a pool session. मतलब थोड़ा swimming करने मिलेगा hopefully. Looking at how they have given us a time and all that, तो हम करेंगे. And then we will eat the brunch. 5-star hotel, 5-star brunch, and that's the vlog. So hope I enjoy, hope you enjoy. Let's go and have a lot of fun. Let's go. Ready. Hi, we have reached, and you know what? The best part, कोई भी pool में नहीं है. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. थोड़ा exercise करेंगे, and then I'll probably go to eat because I just went down in the place. And it's so tasty. Smell से लग रहा है. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I swear, berries. I was so damn excited just seeing water. Seriously, इतनी मस्त हवा आ रही थी, थोड़ी धूप भी थी, सारा it will be perfect time. And I haven't like swam. I haven't been to a pool in a very long time, so I got this chance and I'm so lucky. I'm grateful for it. Plus insert लेना बनता है, you know that, right? I have to do that. I was enjoying myself, and then the time came. It was good going in there, having a little bit of deep plunge, no, cold plunge, and yeah, we'll change and थोड़ी देर के बाद we go and eat the major thing we are here for. Seriously, fruits and salad I have every day almost, so I do not think I should be having that. ऐसा नहीं है, I enjoy them, so I do also taste and like, I mean, eat them. लेकिन इतने सारे other options, wow तुझा, इतने सारे दूसरे options भी थे, so I was like, yeah, it's better to not eat something that I eat every day, है ना, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, that's what they say. But yeah, I really try to take as little as possible. You guys know ना मेरा buffet में खाने का style है, so that I can eat everything. I eat like a little thing, और फिर सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे उस पे टूट पड़ो. And you know what I enjoy the most? It's none other than sweets. So yeah, just look at the plate. Probably this will be my third plate, and I just like ate every single thing पहले. But I enjoyed sweets the most, and was life. Yes, exactly like I said. I think मुझे भी स्वीट्स में इंडियन स्वीट्स ज़्यादा पसंद आती है, so I ate that more. Hello everyone. मैं दूसरी प्लेट लाई हूँ only of sweets. That's the only thing I think I'm going to eat is sweets. But that's why I am actually here for sweets. मेरी friend सब कुछ खा रही है and then I'm eating only sweets. But I love sweets. Yeah, we had like time from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and I probably ate for 2 hours straight. Hanji, I'm not lying. Look at my plate. Every time it's different. और इतना खा लिया था, so I thought like थोड़ा चल ले बाहर. They gave us some time to like टहल सकते हैं this and that. So me and my friend were just like roaming around. इतना खा लिया था, बैठ नहीं पा रहे थे. So I think this was a good idea. Last thing for the day is fun क्योंकि इतना खाया है, थोड़ा digestion के लिए कुछ चाहिए. But yes, fun for the day. I always have like the sweet wala pan जिसके अंदर सुपारी वपारी ना हो because I can't eat all that सुपारी and all. Can't से मतलब actually नहीं खा सकती मैं, ठीक है? Just see, I just have fruity fruity wala pan. Cafe in Palladium Mall. Finally, I'm at the Palladium Mall, and I have got like immense energy. I don't know if you can see me or not with the energy. You can see my muscles though. I'm here to have a crepe, और मैं salad भी खाऊंगी. I'll have a little bit salad, a little bit of dessert because I walked Palladium तक. It took me कितना 1 hour and 45 minutes ish. It took me to walk till here. यहाँ से बस चल के वापस जाऊँगी obviously. Not because I'm compensating for anything. I like walking. Plus, yeah, I mean I wanted to walk. That's it. मेरे बाल तो चिपकू है आज. Yeah. So I'll show you the mall. Obviously, after I eat, I need to fuel myself a little bit first. I've walked a lot, so. Oh my God, everyone, this is crazy. Okay, let's. आई एम नॉट अ बिग फ़ैन ऑफ बनानाज. आई थिंक मैंने बहुत बार बोला ये चीज़, लेकिन मैं बहुत भूखी थी उस दिन. आई एम टेलिंग यू, वरना इतने सारे बनानाज मैं नहीं खा सकती. आई मीन देयर आर जस्ट पीसेस ऑफ बनानाज बट आई स्टिल वुडंट हैव ईटन इट. इट वाज अ गुड चॉइस जो हमने मंगवाया था. इट वाज लाइक अ ग्रिल्ड बनाना क्रेप जैसा कुछ. रिगार्डलेस, लेकिन मैंने खाया. मुझे भूख थी इसीलिए खाना भी चाहिए. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स माई टेड टॉक बिगैन लाइक ऑलवेज. यू नो हाउ मच आई लव टू टॉक, सो be ready to listen when you're on date with me. This is just like a little glimpse of the mall. Since I was talking about this mall for so long, यहाँ पे अभी सबसे happening mall है, so I just had to take a few shots of it and me just roaming around. I think it's my second time. मुझे याद नहीं है 2 बार गई हूँ या 3 बार. But ये Christmas decoration किया था and they looked really pretty, so I was checking all of those things out and thankfully my friend was filming it for me. I swear every single time I see a soft toy I want them all, and especially अगर वो पिंक कलर का है मुझे चाहिए. It's a name, like it's name written on it. उसका ऊपर नाम लिखा होगा द्विजा. I really wanted them all. But anyway, we just roamed around and फिर I walked back home. I did not film that, but I'll be filming other things. So I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for abrupt ending. Ending क्या होता है? I love you.